I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about the importance of niching down your Etsy shop. Before I get into this video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos about how to make a passive income online. So the importance of coming up with a niche. It's sort of like if you are in a department store, you are overwhelmed with everything they have. You walk in and you see clothing, you see shoes, you see handbags, you see so many different items, jewelry, and even though you're in there for something specific, you might get sidetracked. So it's different in the online world. You want to market your products to a specific audience, and that is how you are going to stand out. And I wanted to show you some examples because this is a way that you can develop your own signature style. And this is how you brand yourself. And, it's also, how you'll get found in the search, more so than, if you have a bunch of different items. It's kind of like, if somebody was looking for a wedding invitation and they go to your Etsy shop and you have posters and mock-up photos and business cards and all these different things in your shop, they're going to be a little bit overwhelmed. So you want to develop some trust in your customers and you want to niche down your store. Now, I know I have taught several different ways on how to make a passive income on Etsy, but I wanted to talk about niching down. So yes, you may know how to make glitter tumblers and you might know how to do all kinds of different crafts. But I would say that if you're going to do those things, you should have like a different Etsy shop for each one. From all the research I have done, I have found that the stores that niche down actually do better than the ones that have all kinds of different things in your store. So like if you have, a logo business and then all of a sudden you throw a handmade product in there, like a knitted blanket, it's going to kind of throw your customer off. So you want to stand out. You want to brand yourself. So I kind of went in and I usually don't show other people's Etsy shops on here, but I went with a few people who have actually really made a brand for themselves and who have sold a lot of items. So this store has sold a lot of items, and it's very, very clear what her store is all about. It is about custom logo and branding. So her store is all about branding. So when we look at her items, everything that she has in here, she's got a few little things over here, like she makes Facebook covers, Instagram highlights, logos and branding boards, blog and website kits, business cards. So all of these things that she has, and she does offer some, custom things on here, she has a certain theme going on. Now, this doesn't by any means mean that she doesn't know how to do other things. She might have other Etsy shops where she niches down. We don't know that. Okay, so she has actually gotten into branding and logos. Okay, so another one I wanted to go into was mock-up photos. That has this particular store, they have niched down by just taking mock-up photos. So they have everything in here. So over here, she has everything T-shirt mock-ups. Bella Canvas 3001, which is a great seller on Printful. Clothing on models. So some people might not want a flat lay, so she has clothing on models. Baby clothing mock-ups, child clothing mock-ups, pillow mock-ups, mug mock-ups, frame, canvas, and signs. So is what she has going on here is she has she even has flour sacks or tea towels, whatever you want to call them, mock-ups. And she has all these, so you can definitely tell what her brand is all about. She has made, even though she has named her store, she has branded herself by mock-up photos. So if we saw something in here off the wall, like a wedding invitation, we would be like, what? You know, so this is the importance of niching down. This is another one. I just wanted to show you this one. This is the last one. So this one is cards. This person has a lot of sales and she has niched down, okay, to just card making. So if you go over here to the left side, she has Thanksgiving and fall, Christmas cards, New Year's, baby shower invitations, birth announcements, address labels, thank you notes, Valentine's Day cards, wedding shower, bridal, birthday party invites, moving announcements, graduation, you name it. I mean, she has everything, but her store is all about cards. So this is why I say it is so important to niche down your store. Now, you know, another thing I just kind of want to mention is that I really, even though I have shown in my videos like how to make Christmas cards and things like that, if you've also noticed, I kind of steer clear and I'll go right back to something like wedding invitations or how to do a birth announcement, because I try to stick with things that are non-seasonal items, things that are going to sell year round. Okay, so I mean, it's okay to, you know, make some Christmas cards and things like that or whatever. You just need to make sure that, you know, after Christmas is over, and it'll be here and gone before we know it, that you either mark them way down, pricing, because, you know, there are a lot of people who do like to purchase things on sale, you know, after Christmas. You need to either mark those down or just go ahead and deactivate those, you know, until the next season. But you need to find things that sell year round. So I know this was just sort of a short video, but I did want to talk about the importance of niching down. And I would like to know your feedback on this. What are your thoughts on this? You know, feel free to leave your comments in the comment section below. Also, if you do have any questions, you can leave those in the comment section below. Again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos that I will be uploading about how to make money online. And also, if you have not yet joined my Facebook group, all you have to do is get on Facebook and you search for Etsy Passive Income and make sure you're searching under groups. Someone had asked me to leave a link to it, and I tried that a while back, and the only thing that did is it took them to the main Facebook login page, so links don't work. You just get on Facebook, you type Etsy Passive Income, and make sure you're searching under groups. Lots of help there, lots of ideas, and I give freebies out almost every Friday. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.